guys are. Sorry, forgot where I left you. Welcome back. So today I think we're going to be doing one of the last parts of cleaning up the garage and getting this place ready to do some work. Alright, so I think last time we just left off, added a couple shelves. Obviously we hung up our banners because you got what cool. So I just want to get a few more things cleaned up, a few things back in the toolbox, a couple more things shifted around on this side. Dad and I talked and he said put the trailer in the lean-to. I'll show you guys the lean-to. This is the lean-to. Yeah, there's a woodchuck hole or something. I think it's an old one. Yeah, there's just stuff here. I might have to chop down that little tree and then push a couple of these things over. I might have to try to revive this little trailer for the lawn tractor, actually, now that I'm looking at it, because that's going to come in handy. There's a lot of dead wood back here. Dad, you probably knew that, but everyone else didn't. So, mainly in this video, I'm just going to get one more step towards usable so I can actually do some work on the V-Strom. That video will be coming out at the end of this week. I was planning to do that video first and then this one second. So if you're wondering why I changed the order on you guys. Thanks for being here. I always appreciate all the support everyone gives me. Thank you guys at work for watching and getting other people to subscribe. Yeah, comment down below anything you want to see, any questions you have, or any ideas you got, anything I've done wrong. I don't care. Comment down below. Throw a like on the video if you like what you see. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Alright, so just getting the tabletop cleaned up. I don't know, like, I'm just experimenting with this. Don't think too much about what's going on there. Just have some pegboard stuff because the entire wall, if you haven't noticed it, is all pegboard, which is awesome. Highly recommended. Highly recommended if you are doing a garage. I just put some stuff up to kind of play around, see what I might want up there. You know, got some tools back in the toolbox. Warm up by the heater for a second. I think I'm going to start tackling just this area quick, try to get it cleaned up a little bit better than it is right now, at least consolidate things and get the trash kind of to the front of the garage, figure out what all that stuff needs to, where all that stuff needs to go, kind of keep moving everything that needs to come out of the garage forward. But it's coming along. Like, this is, I know it's not quite there yet, a little messy still, but we're getting there. Okay, I just moved the trailer. That's why. I'm breathing so hard. Oh, had to yank it out of a small ditch if you didn't see. But a little more room. I've kind of made a re-mess. Once again, just gotta pull all that junk to the front of the garage. Kind of just reorganize quick. Before I throw all this cardboard away, I'm gonna replace the cardboard under the lawn tractor because Dad says there's supposedly a leak in the gas tank, so I'll have to get at that. Basically just gonna quickly get this corner a little bit more reorganized, pull this trash up to the front to at least consolidate it for a minute, or maybe just where the trailer was, to be honest. And then I think we'll be pretty good to do some actual motorcycle work. So I'm gonna do one more time lapse, then we will wrap up this video. So thanks for being here. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, you know, down there. Thanks for being here. Alright. Things have happened. So, temporarily moved everything on this side. Trailer is in the lean-to. And, yeah. Kind of in that weird, like, make a mess to make it cleaner stage, if that makes sense. This side, slowly getting things at least off of the floor. We're one step closer. I think we made a lot of progress today, to be honest. Like, I know it still looks kind of messy, but a lot of things happened. A lot of things got moved, made some room. Definitely once winter is over, which I don't want to jinx anything, but we're getting warmer weather now. Let's put it that way. So hopefully the snowblower only needs to stay out for maybe another month or so, and then I can put that away for the year. But we'll see. March sometimes can be the snowiest month, so I wouldn't be surprised if this year that's how it turns out to be. Obviously I have a lot of junk just to get rid of, a lot of trash just everywhere. With that though, I am going to spend just a few more minutes kind of cleaning up the rest of this. I'm just kind of giving you guys a general overview of what happened today. So thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're listening to this part. You obviously stayed along for the whole video, so you probably should subscribe, or you fell asleep like me when I watch a lot of YouTube. But so anyway, thanks for being here. Like, comment, subscribe down below, anything you want to see, any comments, any opinions, anything I'm doing wrong. I don't care, let me know. So we're gonna end this together, and hope you guys have a beautiful day. Magna Mole, out.